Hi, I'm AC Locke, here the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. Retail establishments like grocery stores have unique sanitizing needs as well. From the entrances to the stores to the rails around handicap ramps and other access areas, those areas need to be sanitized according to the CDC guidelines. The big hidden menace there are the shopping carts. The shopping carts carry the viruses and carry the bacteria. SoftWash Systems stands prepared to help you with the immense and overwhelming need of daily sanitizing the shopping carts. Our SoftWash Systems in-network companies have achieved a specific certification to help with this viral outbreak for sanitizing your surfaces. And if you'd like to engage one of those companies, go to our website and click on the locator page. We have 220 companies worldwide ready and able to serve you.